Okay, so from your home page, you're simply going to open up your taskbar and type in homelinebaptist.com/word or /wp-admin and for WordPress admin. It'll bring you to a login page, which I've already logged in. So it's going to bring me here to my dashboard. The dashboard is the home control for your entire WordPress system. This is kind of like your home page of the back end. As you will see, there are different tabs on the side. It looks intimidating, but don't worry. Your dashboard is where you are now. Pages is where all of your website pages live. That's where you'll be able to find all of them. And then the other one that's going to really matter to you guys is the Google Analytics. This is where you can see who is on the website and when they're on it. So we're going to go up to the Pages tab and open up all pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages that we have in the website. Notice there's duplicates of everything right now because I haven't deleted the old website yet. So in this situation, we're going to go to our home front page that was published by me on yesterday. And you're going to see all the edit signs underneath it. Edit, quick edit, trash, view, beaver builder, live edit, clone page, and draft. What we're going to need is beaver builder. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. This is our drag and drop builder that we're using to build the website. So anytime there's any sort of update that needs to be done, that's the process that you will do. You'll go to the page and click Beaver Builder on that page. As you will notice, you'll see all of the boxes around the different elements on the page, the words and everything else. So you're simply just going to scroll down to the page, that part that needs to be editing. In this case, Pastor asked me to update the service schedule right below the main page. Yes, we still get annoying pop-ups. So you're going to click on that. And that's simply going to bring up a text editor. Okay, this works just like any other text editor in the world, just like Microsoft Word or on the text editor on your computer. So we're going to go ahead and type in Sundays at 6 p.m. for the night service, and then Wednesdays at 7, and Sunday mornings at 10 for Sunday school. As you will notice, as we are typing this, it is slightly out of sync with the one that's already there. All of that is going to be edited and shown together as soon as we're finished up typing everything out here. Notice it does have spell check built in automatically. So you're going to simply select the whole thing, center position it, bold the whole thing, and then just make sure it's the same font size. And then as soon as you're finished with all of that, you will press save and move on to the next session that needs to be done. Whenever you are finished editing a page, as soon as everything looks good the way that you want it, go ahead and go up to the top right-hand corner where it says Done. You're going to simply press that button and then press Publish. This will bring up the live view of your page that you just edited with the changes that you've already done to it. Now the next page I want to show you guys is the About page. While I was building it, I purposely left out the staff pictures, or at least half of the staff pictures, so you could see how to edit and add them on your own. So whenever you're there, you notice there's only 3 of them, so we're going to go up to the top and click Beaver Builder again to bring that up. And we're going to go ahead and scroll on down to that. Now if you'll notice, everything in this has a wrench and then a duplicate. Then we're going to press duplicate. And then whenever we're done with this, we're going to go and click on the box of the picture that we want to change. In this case, it's going to be Pastor Foreman's. Click the little wrench. That is the edit sign for all of the rows and columns in Beaver Builder. So we're going to go ahead and press edit. And you'll notice that we're going to have a picture. We're going to go ahead and press remove. And then we're going to select photo. And then it's going to be in the media library. WordPress automatically keeps a collection of all the photos and videos used on the website. So in this case, we're going to go and select the picture of Brother Scott and press select, wait for it to pop up. All the cropping, all the styling is already done because you duplicated the other row that's already there. And whenever you're done, just press save. And then same way as we did before, we're going to change the name and the position of all of them for the next 3 all the way through. I'm going to do the same thing here for Brother Isaac, and the same thing for Brother Buchanan as well. Now if you notice while I'm typing here that the plus sign in the top right hand corner, if you were to click that, and I encourage you guys to go ahead and go in and look and kind of play around a little bit, you'll notice that if you press the plus sign, it's full of what we call modules. Modules is a fancy word of saying photos or audio or something like that that you would like to add to your website. And all you would do is simply click on it and drag it to where you want on the website, and then fill in the desired content that's needed. So for example, we have a page on there that's entitled Hunt for Brother Anthony. It's at homelinebaptist.com/hunt. You can take that basic style that's there, including the registration forms, and you could use that for any event that you may be doing. Let's say you want to do another one for a summer program or something. You could do, whatever the name of the program, and say you call it, like a, event or whatever. You could change the URL from the pages page on your dashboard to homelinebaptist.com/summer program, and then you can edit it to look the way you want for the summer program. So whenever everything's done and everything looks good, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and press publish, and it'll bring up the live version of that page that's already been done. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to work the plan your visit functionality that you'll see on the website. If you notice, it invites every single visitor of the website to plan their visit, and it'll show them how many people have planned their visit already. In this case, it's 4, and all 4 of them have been tested so far. But whenever you do inevitably start seeing a few roll in, what you're going to want to do is you want to go to your webpage and go ahead and type in churchhero.com. This is going to be the same website that we use for the sermon archive, so it'll be the same login credentials. All the media guys there will know it. But whenever you see it pop up there, you're going to want to go ahead and press login in the top right hand corner. And then whenever you've logged in, you're going to see 2 things available to us. You're going to see total sermon plays, which is only 362 as of this point. But you can see the sermon to edit, the sermon archive, or the plan your visit to edit this. This just shows your dashboard. You're going to open up the right hand corner, go to contacts. This shows you all the contacts and everyone who has planned, as well as when they're planning to visit, as well as their contact info, phone number and email. So they're also going to tell you what campus they would like to visit and what day they would like to visit. After they visit, you can go ahead and change their status from unknown to first visit, second visit, and they will be automatically sent a survey to determine what they liked and what they didn't like about their visit, and maybe things that can help as well. And that's about it.